day, all. I'm Epstein with the Morning Flash Update, and this update is for Monday, the 26th of February, 2024, 8:05 a.m. Central Time. Warm weather, that's one of the things you're going to hear besides a warm market. But Chicago will be up and setting records today near 69 to 70 degrees. Our normal is 40. We might get into the mid-70s tomorrow, near 75 degrees. So this is going on, and, winters don't exist anymore. I mean, I'm thinking about it. I used my shovel about 3 times, and a snowplow I tried once. I couldn't get it to start, so I had to shovel by hand because we haven't used it. It was unreal. In the stock market, we start off each morning with, and this is what I've been noticing, some profit taking, and then we seem to rally back. We will see just where this market wants to go. Sooner or later, I don't know which one, we will start a consolidation phase. Market has to, at some point, consolidate all these gains that it's made. It is still a market that you have analysts split on, obviously, what we used to be the Mag 7. It's really the Mag 6 now because Tesla's been doing terrible. But as you look at that, the question is it spreading elsewhere? And we've seen that. We start getting a lot of retailers reporting today, so you'll see that in the market. They'll be talking about that part. We have Israel and Hamas getting closer. If you watched Fox Business this morning around 7, Mr. Netanyahu was on and commenting on the fact that the Palestinian Authority Prime Minister has resigned. Now, his attitude on it is these are not elected people. They get appointed, and he said it's just cabinet shuffling. It's changing the chair from one bad guy to another, possibly. But he did say, and I think this is your ray of hope if there is one, that the ball is in Hamas court. They've been given a deal that makes sense, and it sounds as though if Hamas accepts it, Israel will accept it, and that would give you maybe a 6-week truce with a certain amount of goods coming into the country. There'll be a way that Israel's cabinet has figured out, their war cabinet, how to move the refugees out of Rafah. And according to Mr. Netanyahu, at the end of that period, they're still going after Hamas. But a 6-week period is a ramp off in some ways. What ways, I don't know, but you got to start somewhere. Maybe that's a good sign. You were down earlier in all the energies, and I thought that would be off that. But since they've come back, now I don't know what to make of that. You're very neutral in the bonds and notes. This coming Thursday, you're going to get the PCE index. That's one of the Fed's favorite inflation numbers. It is well anticipated that it's going to climb a bit here because you saw the CPI and the PPI go up. Now, so far in February, a lot of goods costs, especially in grains, have gone down, but meats have gone up. So I don't know how you're going to take that into account with other markets. Copper prices have certainly risen. You can see that over here. And while they're down today, they were just in the 390s. The gold market is saying that 2000's too cheap, but it doesn't so far show that it's ready to rally very much. The dollar, stable to lower as we're getting a bit of a rally in the pound and the euro, but the yen continues to drop down, challenging the yearly lows right now. So that is still looking to me in the bear camp. And the hardest thing is finding new trades right now. They are difficult if you're trying to find them. You have markets that are just doing this. They're seesawing. And the object isn't to trade for trading's sake. The object is to trade if you got something that you think you can do. If not, you pull back your horns a little bit. And I know I've been doing that here recently with one position on. And so far, it's working fine. Although the action in the ETFs is where I've been having more action because I've been participating, luckily, in the rally that's taking place there. Now, in terms of news, you're going to get today the new home sales data. That comes out at 9 o'clock. They're looking for a slight increase. The Dallas Federal Reserve Bank will update their monthly regional outlook. That will come out at 9:30 today, so you want to keep your eye on that. You get a lot of information on CPIs and what the Bank of Japan and other banks, that's all going to be coming out this week. So we want to keep our eyes on that and other parts of Asia, what is going on. But like I said, the event of the week is certainly going to be at the very end, the PCE index, how the market wants to respond to that, and I think you pay good attention to it. We'll be writing about that and a lot more in all of the research that we offer you. To get our research, it's simple. Just go to our website, iraepstein.com, under free offers, or come up here, give a click, and when you do, you'll see an icon. It'll take you into the free offer area. Choose what you'd like. I'm Ira. I'll catch up with you at the end of the day. You have a great trading day. See you in the afternoon.